Hello everyone, welcome to our laser mini class. Today I'm honored to share with you two of our laser welding devices. First, let's look at the first model. This is our best-selling product from last year through this year, the 1200 watt air-cooled laser welding machine. As you can see, its chassis is mainly divided into three parts: the main unit, the wire feeder, and an external gas cylinder for shielding gas. The main advantages of this machine are its compact size, lightweight, and convenient mobility. The welding gun also offers excellent compatibility and high accessibility, making it suitable for welding in various confined spaces. The other product I'd like to introduce to you today is our newly developed in-house model, the 1400 watt integrated laser welding machine. As you can see, the obvious advantage of this machine is that there is no gas cylinder attached to the back. This isn't because we forgot it, but because it truly doesn't require any additional shielding gas. The amount saved on shielding gas each year is enough to cover the cost of the machine itself. Alright, now let's open the side cover of our machine. You can see that this machine has fully integrated our wire feeding assembly, so there's no need for an external wire feeder, nor do you have to worry about where to place the wire feeder. Next, let's take a look at the basic welding videos of both machines. Now, let's look at the mobility of this machine. It can be easily placed in the trunk of a car for transport. The entire system also uses 220 volt power supply, which is standard household electricity. It's plug and play with no need for any additional external power source. Alright, that's the end of this sharing video. If you're interested in this machine or have any trial processing needs, feel free to contact me at any time. We are committed to providing you with better welding solutions.